Yes, okay, today is the day. We have 21 millimeters of rain coming tomorrow, and today is the only chance we have right now, I think, to get the straw baled. Conditions are looking good. It was very humid this morning, and the sun has just come out after the fog that just lifted. So I'm hoping with a little bit of wind, maybe 3, max 4 hours, I'm hoping that the rows or the straw will be dry enough to bale. So until that, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to with the pallets here, just to make sure that we can quickly take the straw home and stack it before the rain comes tonight. And then another thing, I baled 9 bales right after the combine, and I knew they were so-and-so. They weren't going to be great, and they're a little bit warm. They were too moist. So I'm going to take those home and I'm going to open them up and, you know, spread them out in the barns where the animals will be, so that they will dry. It'll be a nice solid like foundation to the straw bed for the animals. So I'm going to do that, get this ready, and yeah. In a few hours I'll hook up the baler and hopefully be ready to bale some straw today. Oh, that would be such a relief if we could get this baled and home before the rain. I'd be so happy. So happy. Oh, okay, let's keep our fingers crossed. All right. So checking the straw now, and this looks good. It feels good. To be honest, I mean, you can hear it. It's really nice and dry. It's a little bit moist. Some places are a little bit moist, but it's nothing. It doesn't leave any moisture on your hand. And yeah. So this row down here are the first ones that I rowed up yesterday, or turned. So I am thinking that this is probably ready to bale in an hour, maybe 2. There's a nice light breeze. We have sun right now behind the cloud, but it's coming back out. So I'm feeling optimistic. I am. Yes. So let's get these other bales that I baled the other day home. open them and keep doing that, and then in an hour or maybe 2 hours I'll start baling. Yes!
Yeah, so my neighbor is continuing the combining. They have today, tomorrow there's rain, so they have, what can it be, 40 or 50 hectares left to do here in the valley. I just adjusted the pressure on the bale. I think I'm gonna use, I'm gonna have, I think I'm gonna have about 80 bars, 1200 psi. I think that's good for straw, because there might be a little bit of moisture in it still. It's not good to have it too tight or too hard pressed. So yeah, exciting times. there's no use in waiting. It's 11:30. I'll have a quick cup of coffee and a sandwich, and then let's get started.
It's going well. I have a company here in the cab now. Hannes got a little snack. He's playing Pokemon now. He's been helping a little bit, but it is a little bit tedious. I mean, the hours do sort of, they don't fly by, but I mean, you're sitting and you're concentrating, and we're ready to make a bale. Let's see. So, nope. I
I've had some issues with the netting. Yes, okay, because I'm making 110 bales, or the size of them, 110 centimeters. So I made them 130 for me on the other side of the road. So those are my bales. I got 45, I think. 45 bales on 10 or 7 hectares. I think it's 7 hectares. So I'm super happy. I have my straw for the year. Definitely. So 540, let's go. So now what I'm doing is on this side I'm helping my neighbors. Lennart and Agnes, they have horses and they need straw as well, because their straw guy who makes square bales, he usually gets around 3,000 bales per year. He's made about 500 now, I think. So, and he didn't know if he had anything to sell. It's one of those years. I mean, the window of opportunity is so tight that it's not a normal year. Yeah. So then it's super convenient that I got extra straw, so I can help them out. All right, we're just gonna go into the next one. So, until now we've made 29 bales that are 110 centimeters big, and yeah, we have a few hundred meters left of row. Down with you, down you go. I would say we have 6, maybe we have 2,000 meters of straw to go, maybe. So yeah, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, things are going well. The rain is forecast for tonight, starting at midnight. So we're doing good time. It's 4 o'clock now. As soon as I make these bales for my neighbor, we will try to help each other out to get this home. I'll help him get the bales to his place, and he'll help me get the bales to my place. So one tractor can, oh, here he comes now. So one tractor can be loading, and another tractor can be, yeah, driving the trailer. So they're pretty cute, the 110 bales, I think, or the size 110. Come on. Yeah, it does not want to wrap. With the 110 centimeter bales, it doesn't always want to wrap. Now it got it. Yeah, good. It says in the manual it should be able to wrap when the bales are 105 in diameter, but it's not. Yeah, it does not. It doesn't really grab the bale. So that's why when it tells me that the bale is ready, I just keep driving a little bit to fill the chamber just a little bit more. There we go, 525, and we're off. Yeah, so I just fill the chamber a little bit more, just so there's a little bit more of straw for it to grab hold of and start wrapping. But yeah, things are going well so far. We're gotta get all this home now. That's the next step.